Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So time is around 1:20 and I have already taken a position in Banknifty. As you can see, Banknifty broke yesterday's high, that is previous day high, and as well as institution zone, but it failed to rally further. So once I saw a opportunity in that, I went short. That is, bought a put option and sold a above strike. As you can see, this is the position. So it's 38,700p which I have gone long, two quantities, and 38,500 I have short. It's a cover actually. As you can see, maximum profit is 7,000, loss is 2,980. So it's a good trade actually. Let's see what happens. Bank Nifty, now you can see it's slightly bearish, and we can see a CPR support, as well as Nifty is also in CPR support. So I don't think so it will go further down. I will update you guys what's the position, but still I'm in some profit. So let's hope for the best. If it fails to break the CPR, I will try to buy another cover for it. So let's see. So guys, it's the aftermarket report. As you can see, actually Bank Nifty failed to break the CPR. I bought one more cover for it. As you can see, it's 38,300 at 66. Two quantities I have short. So you can see 10,000 is the maximum profit, and loss I would control loss. I have 300 or 400. I mean, it's not a loss, so it's a controlled. As you can see, Bank Nifty gave a good rally after 2 o'clock. It was a short covering. It was a good rally actually. So as far as Nifty was concerned, it did not give a good rally compared to Bank Nifty. As you can see, it has a good resistance at previous day high and institution zone. As you can see, it has tested twice today. It failed to break it. So, and as far as XGX Nifty is concerned, first time that is first time I am seeing a gap up start in SGX Nifty. I have never seen that. So as you can see, already it's 100 points up. So first time I have seen this. It's a gap up start in SGX Nifty. And as far as FI and DA are concerned, FI has bought for 23 crores and DA has sold for 322 crores. So guys, that's it for today. Hope you liked the video. Like it, share it, and subscribe. Thank you guys.